honeys. So I just jumped in the shower quickly because we got an event tonight, so I have to be nice and fresh. I just made myself a quick salad before I go. Chicken, capsicum, parmesan cheese, which I should not be having because my skin will hate me for that. And also some spinach leaves. Delicious, delicious. What's wrong, princess? What's wrong, princess? So the event that I'm going to tonight is Grand Prix Tag Heuer Aston Martin event, so gotta look snazzy for that one. Can you not look at me like that while I'm eating? What am I gonna wear tonight? I swear that's every girl's struggle, is what they're gonna wear out. Show you guys what I'm wearing. Preferably not in the kitchen, I guess. So I've got my off-white dress on with a Gucci belt. I got this puffer jacket from ASOS, brand Pull & Bear. And then these shoes are from Revolve. And my earrings, I think they're just cheap earrings from like La Visa or something like that. Puppies want dinner, come on. Let's go. We just arrived at the event. Feeling a little bit underdressed, but that's alright. Didn't get the suit attire right, did ya?
I don't even own a suit.
The beauty about it is, you know, you can change the face. It's got my calendar.
We just got home and had some Nando's. Now we're gonna snuggle the puppies on the couch and watch NCIS. Got a new camera. Oh, she looks so cute! What is that? Lola! We just went and saw Quiet Place and it was so good. Did you rate it, Mitch?
What?
A Quiet Place.
Yeah, it's fucking awesome.
Mitchell, your feet stink. Seriously, it's bad. Hi.
As long as they roll,
Hi.
more than he has.
I'm very tired. So tonight I've got the Cookai launch of their new collection. So I'm just cooking some dinner. Cooking some HelloFresh. It's Portuguese style chicken with potato wedges. So good. Then I'm gonna get ready. There we go, there's the potatoes as well. Whoops, steamed up. Then I'm gonna get ready. I just finished my meal. Oh, it's so good. So we're on our way to the Cookai event. So I'm quite excited to see what they've got coming out. I'm just wearing like a little white bodycon dress with a denim jacket. Oh my god, I'm just put a handbrake on instead of going into drive. I'm actually gonna pee myself if you don't hurry up and park! My armpits are so sweaty. If someone hugs me, they're gonna get a really nice, watery. I feel like I'm wearing a nappy. Oh my god, there's a cat in the middle of the city. Oh my god, it's a dinosaur. Hi, what's up? Hi! You don't know who it is. Oh bro, fucking hell! Back to my story. Oh my god, Chloe is chasing me. What? I feel like I'm wearing a nappy because I've got a really heavy flow and a wide set vagina. Not my fault, I got a heavy flow and a wide set vagina. No, just joking. Please, happy Easter. It's Easter Saturday today. I just went to the shops. We're a little bit hungover because we went out last night, but I just went to the shops, got some Easter stuff and did some little hampers up for me, Mitch and Tom. Tom's actually playing footy in Brisbane this week, so this weekend, but I put his on his bed so he'll have a little surprise when he gets home. But right now I'm just going to go have a hot cross bun, some eggs and start reading my book, which I'm so excited about, and have a tea. Yay! Oh, HelloFresh. HelloFresh has arrived. Hello. So HelloFresh obviously got delivered. And shut up! I'm making pesto chicken with like roast veggies. So I just washed all my vegetables because I'm reading a book and it told me that veggies get sprayed with naughty things that cause cancer and all that sort of fun stuff, like all the pesticides and stuff disrupt our hormones in our body, and yeah, they're just not good for us. So in the book she said to wash your vegetables, if you're not buying organically, wash your vegetables with water and vinegar. So that's what I've done, and then I'm just gonna roast them. I'm gonna like peel the ones that I can peel and then wash the rest properly again. Hello mister, do you wanna go outside? Do you wanna go outside? Wow, that was dramatic. That's just me. Go. So this side we have some pesto chicken and oh wowie, and over here we have the greens. Morning guys. So I'm off to the gym to train. Where are my headphones? Stair climber to finish my session.
Make sure you use my hands.
Why?
Just change it, use your hands. If that camera falls, I swear to God,
It'll get eaten. Run harder, manager.
what's going on?
I just did some abs and filmed it on my phone, so that'll be up on my Szep Fit account if you're interested on Instagram. I'm just rolling out at the moment. So we're just getting some lunch. Why is my camera so exposed?
You just dropped it?
Yummy.
So good.
Oh. We just took the pups to the park. It's Sunday right now, so I want to edit this vlog and upload it by tonight. So I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you guys for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I go to LA on Friday, so it's going to be part of my next weekly vlog, which I'm so excited about. And I'm just going to be literally packing, getting ready for LA and Coachella in the next week. So I look forward to seeing you guys in that vlog. Bye.